to offer that. So, technically kapag hindi ninyo ni-renew, according sa presentation ni Dachi, anong mangyayari kapag hindi nyo ni-renew? Babalik siya sa default filing. So, basically, i-expect ni BIR na, ito hindi nag-renew. Dapat ito yung tax na pinocompute niya. So, yung safest na sinasabi niya is, mag-file ng renewal. But kapag hindi niyo nagawa yun, the second option, but not as safe as the actual renewal, is just file your taxes and then i-take lang yung 8% na bottom doon. Kapag nagawa mo yan, makikita naman nila sa tax return. But they have the power or they have the authority to say, sorry ka, hindi ka nag-renew, dapat default filing. So, kung gusto nila maghanap ng butas, makakahanap sila ng butas. We take off that box na 8%. Supposedly, you're a little bit safe, pero that's not foolproof. Kaya, best talaga na gawin mo yung prescription na mag-renew every year. Especially this time around, online na, it's easier. Dati pupunta pa talaga sa RDO. So, kung nag-file ka naman, walang penalty yun. Kasi, yung penalty is for non-filing and non-payment. Pero if you file and if you pay, but wrong lang yung, kapag gusto ka talaga nilang hanapan ng butas, it's just miscalculation of taxes. And then, because of that, interest lang yung mag-penalize and then magkano yung difference ng tax due. Pero that